Hey everyone, I am here to recap everything that went down yesterday, day 3 of the 2019 World Series of Poker. First up, it was Aria dealer Nicholas Haynes who won the employees event for $62,345. He defeated WSOP media director Isaac Hansen in heads-up play. Haynes also beat out a field of 686 players, including our own PokerNews' Adam Lammers, who took 5th in the event. Next up, the 50K high roller started yesterday. It was Ali IMsirovic who took an early chip lead. Within just the first 2 levels of the day, Ali had a set of aces to bust Elio Fox, a full house to take out Ryan LaPlante, and pocket aces which knocked out Chance Corneth, who had pocket queens. Ali closed out the day with a chip lead for 1.549 million chips. Don't forget, just 2 days ago, Ali got 2nd place in the WSOP 10K Super Turbo Bounty event. So day 2 of this 50K starts today at 2 p.m. local Vegas time. Other players that are still in who bagged chips for day 2 include Justin Bonomo, Erik Seidel, Daniel Negreanu, and Bryn Kenny. However, registration is still open for this tournament for the first 4 levels of the day, so pretty sure we'll see some familiar faces jump in. Yesterday we also had day 2 of the 1,500 Omaha High-Low 8 or better tournament. 128 of those players made it into the money, but only 46 players, including Jeff Madsen, Mike Matisow, and Ben Yu, made it to day 3. That day 3 starts today at 2 p.m. In the tournament, everyone is talking about the Big 50. They had their day 1B flight yesterday. Now, the Big 50 is a $500 buy-in tournament with a guaranteed first place prize of $1 million. Yesterday's 1B saw 5,972 entries. I mean, this tournament was so packed that the Rio was scrambling to put tables anywhere they would fit. Some people ended up playing the Big 50 in a bowling alley here at the Rio, while other players had poker tables set outside of Guy Fieri's restaurant. In fact, it was so packed that day 2 for the 1A flight was supposed to start at 5 p.m. yesterday, but because so many people were playing day 1B, they had to delay that day 2 for almost 2 hours. It's pretty wild that so many people are coming out excited to play poker, but it's been a little overwhelming. We'll actually talk to Jack Eiffel later today about the success of the event, but also some of the hiccups along the way. In fact, it's been so crazy that day 1C is supposed to start today, and it was already sold out this morning with 5,190 entries. Now remember, everyone from yesterday's day 1B flight will be returning for their day 2 today. It's all a little confusing, but every day 2 from each day 1 flight have to be played out on separate days. Otherwise, we'd be playing poker in the parking lot, people. Now, day 2 of the 1A flight ended yesterday. Players like Amit Makija, Martin Rettenmeyer, and 2018 main event runner-up Tony Miles all bagged chips for day 3. Everyone who bags on day 2, on their flight of day 2, will all come together for day 3. Day 3 will take place on Wednesday, June 4th. We still have a few day 1s to play, a few day 2s to play, but everyone will be in the same day 3. Can't wait to see what those crazy final numbers will be. And quick suggestion for the WSOP tournament staff. If you're looking for a new creative place to put poker tables tomorrow during Flight 1D, why not try the Chippendales Theater? I'd be happy to volunteer and do some live reporting from there.